Good morning, students. Last time we learned what is bank and bank's simple interest. Okay. So why simple interest is given or taken, that we learned last time. So children, how to calculate simple interest, that we are going to see today. For that purpose, to calculate simple interest, three things are needed. That is, one, principal. What is principal? Principal is the amount which we are taking as a loan. Rate of interest has been decided by the bank, and time, for how much period we are taking the loan. Okay, so these three things are important to calculate the simple interest. One more thing, one more concept, that is amount. Now what is amount? Amount is amount means the money what we are giving back to the bank. Now how much money we will give back, or how we can give the money back to the banks? Very first, the principal amount, correct, that we will return it back, plus the interest, correct. तो हम बैंक को कितना पैसा वापस देंगे? जितना लोन लिया है उतना, और इंटरेस्ट जितना हुआ है उतना, करेक्ट. सो दैट टोटल, द सम ऑफ प्रिंसिपल एंड इंटरेस्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ अमाउंट, correct. So these two things we are going to learn, and now we are going to solve how to calculate simple interest as well as amount. Okay, for that purpose we will see practice set 35. Okay, now we will see the first sum. At a rate of 10% PCPA, what would be the interest for 1 year on 6,000 rupees? Now in your textbook, whatever the method is given, that is little bit lengthy. Okay, so I will show you one formula to calculate simple interest. First I will write question number 1. Now the formula of simple interest, that I will show you. Very first we will write down the needed things, that is principal. What is principal amount? The rupees 6,000, and rate of interest, rate is equals to 10 PCPA. I told you last time also, PCPA is percent per annum. And time, this also I told you that the time has been considered for only 1 year, but it is not possible for, in practical it is not possible कि 1 year के लिए आप कोई लोन ले रहे हो. तो it means when you will go in the next class, you will come to know that time also there will be you can, means that period of time can be different also, but this year we are going to take the period is of 1 year only. Okay, so these three things. Now I'll show you the formula, that is simple interest is equals to P multiply by T multiply by R upon 100. Okay, now this is a simple formula. You have to learn this formula, and according to this you have to solve the sums. Okay, so what is P? P is of course principal, that is 6,000. T is time, that is 1, and R is 10 upon 100. Okay, understood? So now, as you know that we can cancel the zeros, but after multiplication, correct. So we'll write down this 6,000 multiplied by 10, that is 60,000 upon 100. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 0 will get cancelled and we got, that is 600. Now what is this 600? 600 is a simple interest. Okay, so now we can write down the yearly interest would be rupees 600. Okay, understood? Now the second one, Mahesh deposited rupees 8650 in a bank at a rate of at a rate of 6 PCPA. How much money will he get at all at the end of the year in all? Now in all का मतलब क्या है कि after 1 year how much money he will get. Okay, so how much he will get? He will get the principal as well as he will get the interest. So what we have to calculate over here? Simple interest and amount. Okay, let's see. So here we had written the given things, that is principal, rate and time. Now we will calculate the simple interest. Okay, so as I told you, the formula of simple interest, that is simple interest is equals to P multiply by T multiply by R upon 100. Now we will substitute the values. P is 8650 multiplied by time is 1 year and 6 PCPA upon 100. Okay, so now 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 36, 9, 3, 51,900 upon 100. So we'll cancel the zeros and the amount is rupees 519 as a interest. Correct? So now this is a simple interest. Now we have to calculate the amount. So amount is equals to principal plus interest. So principal is 8650 plus interest is 590. So our answer is rupees 9169 rupees. Okay, now we will write down the statement. Therefore, Mahesh will get rupees 9169 at the end of the year. Okay, so now question number 3. Ahmad Chacha borrowed 25,000 rupees at 12% 12 PCPA for a year. What amount, see here amount word is given, what amount will he have to return to the bank at the end of the year? Okay, the word amount or in all, like this word, if there will be in the question, you have to find out the amount. Okay, so now we will see. So principal, rate and time we had written. Simple interest is equals to P multiply by T multiply by R upon 100. Now we'll substitute the values. 25,000 multiply by 1 multiply by 12 upon 100. We can cancel the zeros here also, just because here there is a multiply sign in all. If there will be a minus or any other sign, we cannot do this. So this is 12, 1, 2, 3, 12 5s are 66, 12 2s are 26, 30. So this is 30 3 lakh upon 100, we'll cancel the zeros, and we got the interest, that is 3000 rupees. Now we have to find out the amount. So amount is equals to principal plus interest. So that is 25,000 plus 3,000. So amount is 28,000 rupees. Okay, so we'll write down the statement. Last statement will be, therefore I'm a Chacha will have to return rupees 28,000 to the bank. Okay, is that clear? So this is the question number 3. Now we'll see the last. Kishan Rao wanted to make a pond in this field. He borrowed rupees 35,250 from a bank at an interest rate of 6 PCPA. How much interest will he have to pay to the bank at the end of the year? Okay, so only here what is asked, how much interest will he have to pay? Okay, so here we have to just find out the interest. For that purpose, principal we had written, principal, rate and time. Now we will calculate the simple interest, as I told, P multiply by T multiply by R upon 100. So principal is 35,250 multiply by 1 multiply by 6 upon 100. So that comes to 215. Okay, so that is 2,11,000 and 500 upon 100. So we can cancel this 2 zeros and we'll get the amount to 2,115 as a interest. So we can write down the statement that Kishan Rao will have to pay rupees 2,105 as interest to the bank. Children, you have to copy all these sums in your notebook, and then we will see afterwards the doubts. Means if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. So all these 4 sums you have to copy in your notebook. Thank you.